Hello and welcome to the Microphotonics Imaging Laboratory here in Allentown, Pennsylvania. We're happy to have you with us today. Each month we're going to be going through some new tips and tricks videos to help you get the most out of your SkyScan micro CT instrument. Let's go ahead and jump into this month's tip. Hello and welcome to the Microphotonics Tip of the Month series. This month we're going to be talking about how to find a more graphical and user-friendly way to take a look at information which is contained in the log file from every scan you capture on one of your SkyScan instruments. Of course, the log file is stored in the folder containing all of the images acquired during the acquisition and during the reconstruction process. And you can access this folder at any time by navigating into your File Explorer, going to the folder where the data set is saved, and finding the text folder with the extension .log. Opening this file will provide you with all of the relevant data or settings for the instrument to help you replicate this sample later in time. However, this can be somewhat of a daunting view for users to try and look through the text file, so it might be nice at times to have a more interactive graphical way to review these key settings without having to look at every setting in the entire log file. So one way you can do that is through NRecon, which is the program we use to do our reconstructions of our data sets. And this is our kind of standard default view once we load a data set. So here I have a strawberry seed loaded into NRecon. And if I go down to my summary tab under the reconstruction window, I can see we pop up with different values here. So this top box is populated with reconstruction options, and then this bottom box is populated with acquisition settings. So this is going to show me the day that the sample scan was collected, the total amount of time required for the scan, the instrument and serial number used, as well as any relevant settings like filters, energy settings, exposure times. All of these would be key later on if you wanted to ever duplicate this scan down the road. And so this is just a one way to get a good quick view of all of the key settings from how you acquired your scan using NRecon without having to open the actual individual text file in the text format. We can get this same kind of view of the sample if we move over to DataViewer in a slightly different way. So in DataViewer, this is kind of our default view once we've loaded the same reconstructed strawberry seed data set in. And instead of having a pop-up window, what we're going to do is go over here and highlight the Show Detailed Information of Current Data Set or Image button. Clicking that will again bring up a new window where it tells me more about the data set. It's going to tell me the original dimensions, the pixel size. Of course, in SkyScan, we're always using isotropic voxel size, so it should be the same XYZ dimensions. Then again, we have the same information that was captured in NRecon, where we can see the acquisition information. This time acquisition is on top and reconstruction settings are on the bottom. So I hope this is helpful to you in trying to go through and review any scan details and comparing scans when you want to make head-to-head comparisons, just to ensure that they were acquired under the identical conditions to make those head-to-head comparisons most valid. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out to us here at Microphotonics. We thank you for tuning in to this month's installment of the Tip of the Month series, and we look forward to speaking with you next month.
Hello. Thank you for watching this installment of our video tip of the month. At Microphotonics, we strongly believe that the research you do changes the world, and we're happy to support you in your efforts through these videos, through our advanced training courses, and our annual workshops. Through these efforts, we strive to make sure that you are getting the most from your Bruker Micro CT machine. If you have any questions on this video or any other questions, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. Thank you again, and have a good day.